blue color. Chick. Hello, I have a chicks, and there is a nest with the egg. Look, there is a chick inside a wooden house. Come on, let's open our wooden house. Wow, there is two chicks. Maybe the chicks are hatched from this egg. Green color. Guineapig. Hello, I have a guinea-pig. The color is brown. Wow, let's give the name Brownie. Come on, let's feed the guinea-pig.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Purple color. Snail. Hello, I have a snail. Look, I have another snail in the store. Wow, there is a black one. And I have a brown color snail. Come on, let's put the snail in a spoon. Red color. Wow! Rainbow Finch! Hello! I have a rainbow finch. Look, there is a red color and green color. Wow! Come on, let's put the finch into a cage.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yellow color. Iguana. Hello, I have a green iguana. Wow! Come on, let's feed the iguana in the grass. Orange color. Wow! Kitten. Hello, I have a white kitten. Come on, let's play with the kitten in the grass.